Philly D back with another one, y'all. All right, real quick. I got a 2005 Altima. This car is so messed up. I just don't see why they would put any money into it. You should see the outside. I might take a picture, but I sold some work on it a couple weeks ago. They got that done. That was like 5 something, and they coming back to get this done. 330, 300, 300, 335, 338, 385. I'm sorry. Add that up. That's over 1,500. I mean, I sell jobs in here. You know what I mean? Sometimes they don't get done the same day. They'll come back, get done. But Philly D be selling jobs. Philly D. I don't know why this guy is doing this work, man. But this thing is just fucked up, y'all. I'm gonna pull this in though and get started on this work. I didn't even tell y'all why he pulled in my spot. Like, don't you hate when you got a bay that you like working in and somebody else is in the bay? So now I gotta walk 30 feet to my toolbox. That's unwanted walking. Let me pull in here. This nigga know I'm about to pull in. Move. Why the fuck you standing there in front of the fucking door, nigga? Then he gonna look down and see if I had enough space to pull in. Like, what the fuck, nigga? Alright. I didn't even tell you what I was doing. I just read prices. Read the prices. We got what? A motor mount, valve cover gasket, thermostat, rear sway bar links, front sway bar links, oil change. I think I did the tune-up the other day. Nah, yeah, I did the tune-up. I don't know how this shit goes. All right, y'all. Let's just get started, man. Let's get this work done. Hey, when y'all doing these valve cover gaskets, y'all don't need so much damn gasket maker. All this RTV. The gasket itself is gonna do the job. I don't need all that gasket, man. It's just crazy. I gotta clean all this up. All this up I gotta clean up, man. Ah. Alright, y'all. Closing this joint out. Tune-up done. Valve cover gas is done. Everything done in this joint. Straight bar links. This joint ready to go. I'm ready to ship this joint out of here, y'all. Get this thing out of here, man. She gotta go. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna close this joint out real quick. That the 2005 Nissan Altima that I was working on. Now, I'm gonna give y'all the scoop real quick. I never diagnosed this car. Somebody else diagnosed it and said it needed a tune-up, I guess. So I got the ticket of, the ticket to do the tune-up. So naturally, whenever I touch a car, I look over the entire car. So that's when I recommend, the outer tie rods, the sway bar links, and the motor mount. All this stuff was bad, so I recommended them to do it. All right, bam. So I do the tune-up. Everything else is obviously done. I do the tune-up, and then I'm on the test drive, and then my scanner picks up this pending cylinder 4 misfire. All right. So now the tune-up is done. I did the tune-up. It's done. So I naturally deleted the codes because that's just what you do when you do something electrically to a car or any type of, spark plugs and stuff like that. I mean, you delete the lights, okay? So I deleted the lights. I drove it. Here it is, a pending cylinder 4 misfire. So that means something else wrong with that cylinder. I don't know what's wrong with it. It could be an injector. It could be compression. It could be fuel. It could be anything. I don't know what it is because I did not diagnose this misfire. This misfire that it has. So yeah, they're gonna have a problem. Now the check engine light ain't come on yet because again it's pending. So it's definitely gonna come back, and it's only that one code. And you can feel a little roughness to this, to the car. It's weird because when I first started it, it's not weird because I've seen it before, but when I first started it, you know, like the car ran fine. Like, you know what I mean? The idea was cool. I'm like, all right, Gucci, you know, like, bam, you good. Car all fucked up, right? I recommend the tires too. The tires is messed up. The tires is bald enough for me. Matter of fact, here goes the little indicator bar. It tells you how low your tires are. You know, it's like, it's leveled with that. So it's borderline bald. Yeah, I know y'all tires got date on them too. Like if y'all need to know, like if you go buy a tire, a new tire, used tire, whatever, you want to confirm like how old it is, like your tires got dates on them. So just a little tip for y'all if y'all want to know. A little tip from D. Tires got dates, so you can always check out the date. You know, might save you a couple dollars if you tell somebody, look, this tire a year old. I mean, give me a discount, whatever. All right, y'all gotta look at it. Nissan Altima, you mean? I'm gonna get back. I mean, let them know, like, look, this Jones store. You know what's funny? Now it's gonna come and look like it's my fault because you know D was the last one to work on it. Nah, that's fuck that shit. That's why I don't like working behind people. Like, you know what I mean? Like, nah. Now they're gonna ask me, well, D, why is MISFIRE? Oh, okay. Now it's my job to fucking, you know what I mean, diagnose some shit that somebody else misdiagnosed, you know, misdiagnosed. So, but it's gonna look bad on me though. You know what I mean? Because I'm the one who did the tune-up. But look, I'm gonna stress my point. I ain't diagnosed it. It wasn't my call to say tune-up or whatever. So I don't know. Y'all might see another video of me probably fixing a, I don't know. Like I said, it could be anything, but maybe I'll go through the process of diagnosing a MISFIRE. So I ain't even got my compression gauge here. But all right, y'all, let me get back. You know what I mean? Fuck with something else up in there. I'll catch y'all on a different day. I'm gonna close this one out. All right, y'all.